Hello, welcome to day 7 of the 2022 LEGO Advent Calendar Reveal and Build. This year it's the Guardians of the Galaxy. We've had 6 days. It's been fairly underwhelming thus far, but let's hope day 7 offers something a little bit more inspiring. Day 7. Right into it. The colour. It's always good. Looks like something else I won't understand. Wonder what that could be. Might be an accessory for a minifig. Doesn't matter, we'll build it. Then we'll work out. Later it might all come together and make absolute sense. Let's see. Right, so that is going to be that bit there. That goes on there. Side pieces. Well, that one doesn't go on there. Unless it's upside down, that's what it is. There we go. And right. How can that be? How can that be? That bit goes on there. That goes on there. I think I have seen this in the movie before. Certainly something that resembles this. I still don't know how that connects. That is really odd. Okay, so that must go on there. But I have this translucent 1x1 slope. Don't know how well you can see that. And it's meant to sit on top here. But there is no way. So it's meant to sit on here. Unless that sits there and that goes there, which is what I'm going to guess it is. Does that show up on there? Yes, it does. It's just not very clear. But I can see that now. And then that sits on there. Okay, that's all making sense. Ah, maybe that's a gun. Right. Must be another accessory. Maybe it's a blaster. Maybe that's what it is. All right, well, that's actually, I would suggest, the most interesting piece thus far in the builds that we've had to date. There we have it for today, day 7. Please join me for day 8, tomorrow being Thursday. Hopefully see you then.